Hi, I'm Grace, mindfulness expert here at Brother Be Well. How do we meditate? Let's get started. First, find a comfortable seat. This seat can be on the floor, on a cushion, or a pillow, or you could be seated in a chair. If you're choosing to sit on the floor, I like to really elevate my hips so that they're higher than my knees. This allows me to sustain the shape for a little longer. If you're seated in a chair, plant both feet on the floor or put something under your feet so that you're firmly planted. Wherever you are, come back to your breath. As you breathe in, allow your spine to get a little taller. And as you breathe out, allow yourself to ground a little deeper. This is the foundation of your meditation. This seated shape allows space for all the internal work, getting your physical body prepared so that you can sustain your practice. There are many ways to meditate. You'll find a variety of practices ranging from movement to breath to affirmations, visualization, body sensations, and so much more. At the root of every meditation practice is coming into stillness and finding yourself connected to the depth of your internal landscape. Let's try a short little meditation here. Resting your palms on your legs, lift your crown a little taller. You might close your eyes or soften the gaze down the tip of your nose. Here, find your breath. Feel and hear the sound of your breath without changing it, just noticing, how am I breathing? How does it feel as the air enters your nostrils? How does it feel as it exits? Stay with your breath. Notice how you're breathing. When you feel content, gently blink your eyes open and come back into this space. Well done. I'll see you next time. I'm Grace, and remember, brother, be well.